it can be so hard to put in time to make and film YouTube videos, chase the bag, period. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja, aka Beyond Unique, and we are back with another banger video for you guys today. And in today's video, we are going to be getting into why I've been missing for 2 weeks. Because you guys know I usually post regularly, at least 2 or 3 videos per week, and I haven't posted in about 2 weeks, so that's quite strange. So I wanted to talk to you guys and let y'all know what's been going on in my life, etc, etc. But before we get into that, let's get into the intro. Oh, y'all know it's I'm talking here, boo boo. We get straight into the video. But before I get into the video, make sure you tap the like button, turn on your post notification bell, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Welcome to the Unique Gang. We love you, we enjoy you here, and we hope you have a good time hanging with us. You feel me? Anyway, so today's topic is going to be on why I've been missing. So, how do I say? I've been missing because I got pretty busy. My clientele picked up. As some of you guys know, I am a hair braider. Others of you that don't know, now you know. I'm a hair braider, so that takes up most of my time braiding people's hair. Some styles take like at least 6 hours. Sometimes I take 2 clients a day. So, you do the math. You can understand exactly why it can be so hard to put in time to make and film YouTube videos, because I actually have to, have time. I have to be mentally prepared to take on a YouTube video. Like, I have to be feeling it. Some YouTubers, they can just get up and they can just go and just be like, yeah, I'm gonna do this today, and they get it done. Me, however, because I'm a stylist, I'm a hair braider, work comes first. I gotta make that paper, I gotta stack my racks, I gotta chase the bag, period. So, a day-to-day basis for me is, get up, bathe, shower, brush my teeth, get some in my stomach, blah, 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 prep the shop for my clients to make sure, everything is well organized, make sure everything is set up in the right way so that I can perform and function properly in the shop. And, just getting everything together. And then once they arrive, I prep the hair on the rack, etc, etc, and turn on the TV so that they're comfortable, ask them how their day is going, just a general conversation with my clients, just to make sure that they are welcomed and they feel comfortable in the chair. So I do all of that, and then we get to actually doing their hair. Now, depending on what style I do, I'm gonna insert some of my work someplace on the screen so you guys can see like what kind of styles I do. Maybe I might insert a video here or there. But yeah, basically, depending on what style they're doing, it may take me over 6 hours to complete the style, and having 2 people a day, it's very time consuming. So by the time I'm finished with that, it's probably like 10 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock at night, and I have to, wash dishes, do laundry, regular home maintenance, cook food for me to eat so I can, I won't be out here starving in these streets, prep food for myself, etc. Then, it's COVID, so you gotta be extra cautious, you gotta take multiple showers, all of that stuff. It's a lot. And I'm sure you can understand like how everything adds up. But by the time I'm done that, the day is over. I have nothing left, the day's over. So I be tired, y'all. I honestly and truly be tired. And when I'm finished braiding somebody's hair, like, I literally just want to take a shower, eat, watch a movie, and relax. Like, I don't even be thinking about making content, I have to actually be in the mood to want to make content, I have to be mentally ready, to take on a filming day, because I I overthink a lot, and I want to make sure that everything comes out perfect. So between, prepping for clients and then getting home, and when the client's done, getting home and just trying to relax, trying to de-stress, it takes a toll on you, and you literally just want to like lay down and do nothing. And that's practically how I've been feeling for the past 2 weeks, so now that I'm in the mood to actually like film a video, I decided, I'm just gonna try to film as much content as I can right now while I'm feeling up to it, because I know that I'm possibly not in the next 2 days gonna feel like doing this again. Don't get me wrong, I really love creating content. I just, for me, procrastination is key. Like some people, they can just go ahead and just do whatever they gotta do and just plan everything out. I'm more sporadic. I'm spontaneous. I don't like to just be like, okay, well, I'm gonna do this today, do that today, do that today, and just plan ahead. I mean, it's great, however, but I feel I personally work better. My creative energy works a lot better when I'm sporadic, when I'm spontaneous, when I'm in the mood to do something. I feel like when I'm more random, my content's a lot better because you actually get the real me. You don't get the, well, I just planned this out, so this is how it's gonna go, and if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, and it's just trash. I don't want that. I don't want that kind of content. So I want y'all to experience the real me. Oh, did you guys notice my new backdrop? Yeah, I got another one, but this one is my favorite one. If you know me, you know I like rainbows and I like colorful things and like bright things. I'm getting off topic. You guys know I'm like Dory. But anywho, that's honestly the reason I've been missing for 2 weeks. It's literally because I wouldn't want to call it lazy, because it's not lazy, because mentally I know like I have stuff to do. But I would just say it's more of I just wasn't in the mood to film. So honestly, that's why I've been missing, But today I decided, well, I'm gonna film some content for you guys because I really wanted to, show you guys that, I'm not gonna give up on something that I've always wanted to do for a very long time. And I'm gonna try my best to put out as much content as I can between doing hair and other things that I want to do. I work with WHAAT, so I gotta put content out for them when they ask, and deadlines. Deadlines. So that's another reason that I'm also filming, because I was like, I can't let the deadline pass without me filming this content, So I did that. I started today, and I was like, yeah, we're gonna get this done. And we're gonna get this done. But yeah, that's a mini life update for you guys. I didn't plan to keep you guys here that long. I just wanted to let you guys know what's been going on in my life, etc., etc. And also, I wanted to, thank all of you who are consistently supporting my channel, although I don't be on here as often as I should be, Thank you for continuously supporting me and checking on my channel just to see if I did drop a video or not. I didn't, but I will be dropping these videos soon. So when you see this, drop a purple heart in the comment. If you drop a purple heart in the comment, then I know you watch this video all the way through, and I love you for that. Like literally, you are my favorite person right now. Like I just want to give you a hug. Thank you so much for supporting me and my dreams, my aspirations. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just joking. There's no further ado. But I just want to say thank you guys for being there for me. Thank you guys for liking my content. Thank you guys for sharing my videos. Thank you guys for supporting me overall. Thank you for generously just being the loving, caring person that you are. And if you really enjoy my videos, enjoy my content, you enjoy who I am as a person, make sure you give this video a like, a comment, and share this with somebody else so they can enjoy the same feeling that you are. Turn on your post notifications, and welcome to the Unique Gang if you're new here. Thank you guys for loving me always, and I love you always. Dej. Bye.